What better way to celebrate Valentine's Day than a visit to Lorain County Metro Park's Miller Nature Preserve in Avon for the Visions of Valentine Floral Show. Come experience the 5,000 square foot conservatory and enjoy a vision of reds, pinks, and whites in this Valentine-themed floral show. Admission to the show is included in the regular conservatory fee. Afterwards, be sure to stop by the Nature Note gift shop or grab lunch at the Orchid Room, open 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Visions of Valentine is open now through March 18th. For more information, call 440-458-5121 or visit www.metroparks.cc.